One of my favorite food in Ghana, which many wake up early at 7 or 8 a.m. to queue for this food, is waakye. Waakye can be served with a variety of toppings: shito, meat, fish, egg, salad, curry or spaghetti, and then avocado. They say waakye de obiara pe na ekoyi angaza. Waakye is a Ghanaian dish of cooked beans and rice with the red millet leaves. This one is one of my favorite rice. They say waakye de obiara can say of the waakye, and I'm still searching to find if anyone dislike waakye. There's a koyi ankasa, home street food. Welcome you all back to home street food. Today we're gonna share another recipe. We are gonna cook Ghana waakye. They say, "Yeah, from Warsaw, you are all invited." If you're new here and today is your first time watching my channel, you are welcome. These are the ingredients for today's recipe. We have fresh tomatoes, onion, carrot, the red bell pepper, garlic, and then ginger. I have washed and then chopped and sliced my vegetables. These are other ingredients for the stew. We have oil, tomato paste, that's it, black peppercorn, anise, salt, curry powder, shrimp powder, and then pepper. So yeah, going to cook our stew. I've added in my 2 cups of oil. I'm adding in my sliced onions. Then I'll let it be on fire so all the sweetness has relieved in our oil. Then we add other ingredients. I have fried this onion for 7 minutes, and I'm adding my ginger and then the garlic paste. So it's time to add my tomato paste, and I did taste the tomato paste. It tastes a little bit sour, so there's a time that you can add your tomato paste to cook for your preference. Yeah, so I'm gonna fry these tomatoes so that it doesn't taste sour when eating. And this is the meat that I'm gonna add to the stew. I have cow skin and then the leg, then I have ginger, onion, then we have fish. Then these are the spices that I'm gonna add: onion, garlic, chili powder, then oil. That's it. Then I'm gonna rub this on the fish and just to let it be for 10 minutes before I fry. And I'm gonna fry this in oil. I'm gonna fry this in the air fryer. So I'm going to cook the meat. I just added the blend onion, ginger, and then garlic, and then water to cook this meat. Just a number with the add things, you know. You're going to cook, then salt to taste. You're going to cook this meat very soft so that we can enjoy. And watch it, and I'm gonna say a peche. So the tomatoes have fried for 10 minutes. I'm going to add my blend tomato, onion, ginger, garlic, and then the half onion. That's it. Watch out when we say and toast you more. And I'm adding my pepper, my hot pepper, the anise seed. You can use any spice of your choice, and then the black peppercorn I just grind. Then I'm adding some curry powder. I'm not gonna add any salt at this point because I'll be adding the meat before I will taste. If I need salt, I will do it. I'm adding my shrimp powder to add more flavor, because we didn't use any seasoning cube here. Gonna add more flavor to the stew. It's an optional, but if you want to add it, you're still gonna taste nice. And I did check the meat. It's not done. You cover it up and then cook for additional time. There's an air fryer that I'm gonna fry my fish in. Then I just have some lines on the fish, and that's it. Let's go fry this in the air fryer. The meat is ready. Then add everything in the stew. Hello lovely people, isn't it wonderful? Yeah, we didn't add any much oil, but look at this fish. Yeah, it's time to put this fish in the stew. You can also set it aside if you don't want to put it in the stew, but anyway, it tastes good when it's in the stew. The stew is ready, and let's cook the rice and beans. That is the waakye. I have 3 cups of rice and then 2 cups of beans. And I'm adding some water to soak the beans for 20 minutes before cooking, and also make it easier to cook. I have my Waakye leaves, which is the dry millet leaves. I have salt to taste, coconut oil, saltpeter, which is cow in Ghana language. Then I cut some of the dried Waakye leaves and then give it a wash. Yeah, you need to wash your Waakye leaves because it has some dirt when I was cutting up. Yeah, I have to wash it. Then I'll soak it in water and then add my cow or bicarbonate of soda, and then let it be on fire. So I add my meat. So adding the cow sometimes is optional. I did add it because the last time that I used the Waakye leaves, I didn't get a perfect color that I wanted. And I'm washing my rice, just a quick rinse. And I'll wash the beans too one more time. Look at how beautiful it is when, yeah, you give time for your Waakye leaves to soak in the water. You get that perfect red color of Waakye that you want. You see, but remember not to stir your beans or it's gonna take a long time to cook out. Yeah, that's my experience. When you stir in with your spoon, it's gonna take a long time to cook your beans. So just leave it. Ta-da! Yeah, we're getting ready to enjoy this meal. Give me thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. Subscribe to this channel for more videos, and don't forget to share with your loved ones. I love you all for all the support. Yeah, I did check the beans and it's okay. Yeah, it shouldn't be all that soft, but I just press harder. That is why you see it's like almost cooked, but it's not all done. Then I added my washed rice, then stir everything up. Yeah, my water is not much. You know, if you wash your rice, it becomes soft. And the bean stew is almost done. And I don't want soft waakye. If you want it, you can add 2 cups of water in here. But for me, it's good. So I used 7 cups of water to cook the beans. Then I added additional 2 water when I added the rice. Then I have my coconut oil and then some salt to taste. That's it. The waakye will be ready very soon. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. I do post new video every week. Be part of this channel and let's build it up. Just cover it up and then to be ready in no time. Some people do cover it with some baking sheet, but for me, this is how I cook it. Yeah, the heat in, I'm gonna cook everything for me. And just give it one more stir and then I'll remove the waakye leaves. To be ready very soon. Like I said, thank you all for all the support. I have some water on fire to cook my eggs and then the spaghetti. Be careful when adding in your eggs. Is the type that I'm using. The waakye is ready to serve out. Thank you all for your time. So I come your way with another video. Please stay safe and be blessed. Adding the oil to your garri is optional, but it gives you the perfect color that you want to enjoy when you buy outside. Love you all. Thank you.